This is how you use the Alexicom. So the first thing I'm going to show you is how I was able to make questions. So if you click edit and then you label what you want to say, and you can either type it in here or record yourself. So I went ahead and recorded myself, and so then you just go ahead and click it.
How are you? Do you want to play?
And
What do you like to do?
that is just how you ask a question. And so those are just 3 questions that I came up with. Or on this device app, you can have the student tell a story or read something. So if you're doing like a read aloud in the class, you could always just give the student the typed up version and they can put it on this app, and that way they can participate in the lectures. And so for this one, I just wrote a simple story. And so this one is just the voice that is provided with it. And so I'm going to go ahead and play it.
There is a cat, he is orange, his name is Whiskers, he enjoys warm milk, he lives with his owner Max, they are best friends, the end.
So something super simple. So when it gets to this child's turn who's nonverbal, they can go ahead and use the app and participate with the other students in either read along or just other things like that, or answer questions. And then the last thing I'm going to show you is how to do something. And so this is teaching something. And so I did how to clap, and once again I just typed it. And so if you type it down in the spoken part and then click update, it gets put into the app and you just click on it.
Open your hands and hit your palms against each other with your fingers to the sky. Repeat.
And so that's like not the best voice, but it's usable. Like you can still use it. So if you want, as a teacher or a para, they can go ahead and put their own voiceover and do your own recording if you want. It just depends on what the student wants and what you want as a teacher. And so that is how you use the Alexicom app.